Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. During your naturalization interview, a USCIS officer will ask you many questions about your application and background. The officer will usually ask these questions in a way that is different than how they are worded in the application to make sure you have not just memorized the answers. We compiled some sample questions and answers according to the new N-400 form and some real situations. Please replace the words highlighted in yellow and underlined for your actual situation. Part 1. Information about your eligibility. How are you eligible for naturalization?
Example, I have been a permanent resident for over 5 years.
What is your basic eligibility to become a U.S. citizen?
Example, I got my green card for over 5 years. I have been married to a U.S. citizen, and I got my green card for over 3 years.
Are you filing for naturalization under the general provision?
Yes, I am.
How did you become a permanent resident?
Example, through my family. My son sponsored me.
Did you get your green card through a family member?
Yes, my son sponsored me.
Who was the sponsor for your green card?
Example, my son.
Are you filing for naturalization through your marriage?
Yes, I am.
How did you get your green card?
Example, through my marriage. My husband sponsored me.
How long have you had your green card?
Example, I got my green card for over 3 years.
How long have you been a permanent resident?
I have been a permanent resident for 5 years.
When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
I became a lawful permanent resident on July 9, 2020.
What is your residency date?
July 9, 2020.
When did you come to the U.S.?
Example, June 15, 2020.
Part 2. Information about you. What's your current legal name?
My current legal name is Juan Carlos Ramirez Torres.
What's your full name?
My full name is Juan Carlos Ramirez Torres.
What's your first name?
My first name is Juan.
What's your given name?
My given name is Juan.
What's your last name?
My last name is Ramirez Torres.
What's your family name?
My family name is Ramirez Torres.
How do you spell your first name?
Juan. Juan.
Do you have a middle name?
No.
If you answer yes, the officer can ask, "What's your middle name?"
My middle name is Carlos.
Have you used any other name since birth?
No, I don't have other names.
If you have used another name since birth, the officer can ask, "What's your first name, given name?" What's your last name, family name? What's your middle name? Have you ever changed your name?
No, I have not.
Would you like to legally change your name?
Yes, I would. No, I would not.
Do you want to change your name?
Yes, I want to change my name.
Please state your new name. What name do you want to change?
My new name is Juan Torres.
Can you write down the new name on a sheet of paper?
Yes.
What is your gender?
I am male.
What is your date of birth? Tell me your date of birth.
October 2nd, 1978.
What date did you become a lawful permanent resident?
June 5th, 2020.
Where were you from? What is your country of birth?
My country of birth is Mexico.
What is your country of citizenship or nationality?
My country of citizenship is Mexico.
Are you a citizen of Mexico?
Yes, I am.
Do you have another country of nationality?
No, I don't.
Was one of your parents, including adoptive parents, a U.S. citizen before your 18th birthday?
No, officer.
Do you have a physical or developmental disability or mental impairment that prevents you from demonstrating your knowledge and understanding of the English language or civics requirements for naturalization?
No, I don't.
Do you want the Social Security Administration, SSA, to issue you an original or replacement Social Security card and update your immigration status with the SSA if and when you are naturalized?
Yes, I do.
Please tell me your Social Security number. Can you give me your Social Security number?
776-473935.
What is your daytime telephone number?
510-553-6627.
What is your mobile telephone number?
510-553-6627.
Do you have an email address?
Yes, I do.
What is your email address?
Juan Torres 1978 at gmail.com.
Part 3. Biographic Information. Are you Hispanic or Latino?
Yes, I am Hispanic or Latino.
What is your race?
Example, I'm white.
What is your height? How tall are you?
I'm 6 feet 2 inches.
How much do you weigh? Or, what is your weight?
I'm 149 pounds.
What color are your eyes? Or, what's your eye color?
Example, brown.
What color is your hair? Or, what's your hair color?
Black.
Part 4. Information about your residence. What is your current physical address?
1962 Chaparral Way, Stockton, California, 95209.
How long have you lived at your current address?
Example, 3 years.
When did you move to the current address?
I moved to the current address on July 3rd, 2023.
Has your address changed since you sent your application?
No.
Did you move after you applied for naturalization?
No, officer. Yes, I moved 5 months ago after I applied for naturalization. Can you update it for me?
All right, I need to know some information before updating it for you. Please tell me your new address.
33690 North Hosta Drive, Santan Valley, Arizona 85140.
When did you move to the new address?
Example: I moved to that address on January 1st, 2026.
Have you lived anywhere else during the last 5 years?
No.
If you answer yes, the officer can ask, where have you resided during the last 5 years?
Example: I lived in California before.
When did you move to that address?
I moved to that address on October 7th, 2022.
Is your current physical address also your current mailing address?
Yes, it is.
What is your current mailing address?
It is the same current address.
Part 5. Information about your marital history. Are you currently married?
Yes or no?
Have you been married?
Yes, officer.
Are you currently single, married, divorced, or widowed?
Example: I am single.
What's your current marital status?
I am married.
If you are currently married, is your spouse a current member of the U.S. Armed Forces?
No.
How many times have you been married?
I got married only once.
Have you previously been married? Were you married before?
Yes or no?
What is your spouse's immigration status?
Example: my spouse is a U.S. citizen.
If you are not filing under one of the categories above, skip to Part 6. What is the current legal name of your spouse?
Laura Martinez.
What is your current spouse's last name, family name?
My current spouse's last name, family name, is Martinez.
What is your current spouse's first name, given name?
My current spouse's first name, given name, is Laura.
What is your current spouse's middle name?
My current spouse doesn't have a middle name.
What is your spouse's birthday? What is the date of birth of your spouse?
Example: March 11th, 1980.
When did you get married to your spouse?
August 28, 2008.
Is your current spouse's present physical address the same as your physical address?
Yes.
If you answered no, provide the address in Part 14. Additional information. When did your current spouse become a U.S. citizen?
My spouse was born in the United States. My spouse became a U.S. citizen through naturalization.
What date did your current spouse become a U.S. citizen?
Example: April 3, 2024.
What is your current spouse's alien registration number?
066234147.
How many times has your current spouse been married?
Example: 1 time. 2 times.
When did your spouse terminate the previous marriage?
March 8, 2015.
Please provide divorce decrees, annulment decrees, or death certificates showing that all of your spouse's prior marriages were terminated, if applicable.
Here you go.
What country is your spouse from?
Example: My spouse is from Mexico.
What is your spouse's current job? What is your spouse's occupation?
My spouse is a warehouse worker.
Where is your spouse currently working? Where does your spouse currently work?
My spouse is currently working at DHL Supply Chain.
How long has your spouse been working there?
About 8 years.
Please tell me your current spouse's employer address.
2450 East Francis Street, Ontario, California, 91761.
Part 6. Information about your children. Do you have children? Do you have any kids?
Yes, I do.
What is the total number of children born to you? How many children do you have?
Example: I have 3 children.
Are all of your children under 18 years of age?
Yes, all of my children are under 18. No, 2 are under 18.
Are your children biological to you?
Yes, they are my biological children.
What are their names?
My son's name is Jose Luis Torres Garcia, and my daughter's name is Maria Fernanda Torres Garcia.
Where were they born?
They were born in Mexico.
What are their dates of birth? What are their birthdays?
My son was born on May 8th, 2012. My daughter was born on June 8th, 2014.
Where do they currently live?
They currently live with me and my husband.
Do you have any adopted children?
No, I don't.
Do you have any stepchildren?
No, officer.
Another situation 1. If you have a child with your spouse, the officer will ask you some questions after. Do you and your spouse have any children?
Yes, we have one child together.
What is your child's name?
My child's name is Carlos Eduardo Torres Lopez.
What is your child's date of birth?
Example: March 9th, 2011.
Does your child reside with you?
Yes, officer.
Where was your child born?
My child was born in Mexico.
Are you providing support for this child?
Yes, I am.
Another situation 2. If you have a child from a previous marriage, the officer will ask you some questions after. Do you have any children from previous marriages?
Yes, I have one child.
What is your child's full name?
Example: Ana Angel Hernandez Cruz.
What is your child's date of birth?
April 4th, 2017.
Are you providing support for this child?
Yes, I am.
Does this child currently live with you?
Yes, officer. No, officer. She lives at 5040 North Parkway, Sacramento, California, 95823.
Part 7. Information about your employment and schools you attended. Do you have a job currently? Are you currently employed? Are you currently working?
Yes, officer.
What is your current job? What job do you have right now?
I am a construction technician.
Where do you currently work? Who do you work for?
I currently work at VCI Construction.
Who is your current employer?
Example: VCI Construction.
Please tell me your employer's address.
1621 La Mirada Drive, San Marcos, California, 92078.
How long have you worked there?
I worked there for about 5 years.
What dates have you worked there?
Example: June 14th, 2020.
Have you worked anywhere else in the last 5 years?
No, I've worked at the same place. Yes, I have.
Where have you worked for the last 5 years?
Example: I worked at BBSI Incorporated before that.
When did you work there?
July 16th, 2023.
What was your employer's address?
25124 Springfield Court, Suite 150, Valencia, California, 91355.
Part 8. Time outside the United States. Have you traveled outside the United States in the last 5 years? Have you traveled abroad for the past 5 years?
Yes, I have.
How many times have you left the United States since you got a green card?
3 times.
How many trips have you taken outside the U.S. during the last 5 years?
3 trips.
Note: do not include day trips where the entire trip was completed within 24 hours. Were any of your trips for 6 months or more? Did any of your trips last 6 months or longer?
No, officer.
Did you leave the U.S. for more than 6 months?
No.
How many total days did you spend outside the United States during the last 5 years? What is the total number of days you spent outside the U.S.?
45 days.
Which countries did you visit?
Canada and Mexico.
When was your last trip outside the United States?
October 27th, 2025.
What date did you return on the last trip?
November 10th, 2025.
Where did you go?
I went to Mexico.
Why did you go there? What were your reasons for leaving the country?
to visit my family and relatives.
Thank you for watching. If you need to review all documents anytime and anywhere on your phone, please check the link in the description. After a small payment, you will immediately receive the download link via email.